Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Myself Suhail, your maths teacher, and today we are going to discuss about angles and types of angles. So, what angle is? So, as you can see, an angle is a figure formed by two rays or two lines, or even we can say two line segments, of which we call as sides of the angle or arms of the angle, sharing a common endpoint that we call as vertex. Suppose we have got a ray here. This is a ray A and B. So what we do, we add one more ray to this ray here. So the ray will be B and C. So here these two rays have met at a point that is common endpoint for both the rays. Where the two rays meet, this endpoint is called as vertex. So when two rays meet at a point, that point is said to be as vertex, and the distance between these two rays is said to be as angle. So here our angle is at B, so we can denote it as angle B, or even we can write it as angle A, B and C. The letter in between the three is the angle here. So remember this thing, whenever we write the angle, at that time when we write three letters together, the letter in between the three is said to be as angle here. So here these two are said to be as arms of angle or even sides of angle. So we can name them as arms of an angle, or even we can name them as sides of an angle. So students, the point where these two rays meet is said to be as vertex. So moving forward now, moving to the types of angles. So how many types of angles are there? Why are they named so? These are questions for us. So we will move forward to types of angles. Basically there are 6 types of angles, but many mathematicians say that there are 7 types of angles. So what are they? First angle among them is zero angle. Second is acute angle. Third one is obtuse angle. Fourth one is right angle. Fifth one is straight angle. Sixth one is reflex angle. And the last one is complete angle. So these are 7 types of angles: zero angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, right angle, reflex angle and complete angle. So students, firstly I will discuss right angle here, because a right angle is the main angle here, for which will help us to understand all other angles as well. So suppose you take a letter L. When we take a letter L here, so L is basically a right angle. So here this angle, when it has got L shaped, the angle between here is denoted like this box, and it is as 90 degree. So we can say that whenever an angle is 90 degree, we can write its symmetry here as well. So whenever an angle is 90 degree, that angle is said to be as a right angle. So now other angles will become very easy for us now. So we will take now first angle. First angle is zero angle. Zero angle is that angle which starts at a point and ends at the same point. That means when it starts, it ends at that same time. This angle that starts at a time and ends at the same time is said to be as zero angle. So after zero angle, there's another angle, that is acute angle. That is acute angle. What is acute angle? An angle which is in between 0 degree and 90 degree. So that angle which is in between 0 degree and 90 degree, that means greater than 0 but less than 90 degree. That angle which is greater than 0 but less than 90 degree. Here this angle is 90 degree, but that angle which is lesser than this angle is said to be as acute angle. Suppose this angle is acute angle, this angle is acute angle, this angle is acute angle. That angle which is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is said to be as acute angle. After acute angle, we will move to one more angle, that is obtuse angle. So obtuse angle, that angle which is in between 90 degree and 180 degree. So that angle which is larger than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So it must be like this, like this. So that angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is said to be as obtuse angle. So moving forward now, after obtuse angle, there is one more angle, that is said to be as straight angle. So when two rays meet here, this angle which is a double of 90 degree, double of right angle, that is said to be as 180 degree, that is said to be as straight angle. The angle which is double of right angle, double of right angle, or twice of right angle is said to be as straight angle. So students, you have already learned about right angle. Here the angle which is equal to 90 degree is said to be as right angle. Now moving forward to other angle, that is the reflex angle. So that angle which is in between 180 degree and 360 degree, that angle which is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, that angle is said to be as reflex angle. Suppose this angle here, it is reflex angle, this angle here, it is a reflex angle. So that angle which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is said to be as reflex angle. Now moving to last type of angles, that is complete angle. Complete angle, that angle which is equal to 360 degree, that angle is said to be as complete angle. This angle, suppose this is a ray, this angle starts from here and makes a complete round, moves completely 360 degrees, as you can see on the hands of a clock, which move all 360 degrees, which complete a complete round. That round is said to be as 360 degree. When an angle completes this round 360 degree around, that is said to be as complete angle. So students, we learned about angles today and types of angles today. So there are 7 types of angles, but some mathematicians say that there are only 6 types of angles. Zero angle is not mentioned in those 6 types. If we take 7 types, then zero angle is the seventh type of the angles. So students, like and share this video, and the persons who haven't subscribed our channel yet will subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for our more video notifications. Inshallah, we will meet in our next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.